Hello, and welcome back to the Woodland Airsoft channel. Today's game is a match of attack and defend. In this video I'll be on the attacking side and we will be setting the time to beat for when we switch sides. Once the defending team is ready, we will start our assault. I hope you enjoyed the video and give me a like and subscribe, but for now, let's dive in. I start slow here, using the dense foliage and shallow ravine to conceal my movements as I flank the left side of point A. As I'm making my push, I notice a fellow player to my right, who I notion to move more towards the center path of the objective to draw less attention to myself, and I also take this time to let him know about the possible threats I had just spotted. In a few of these shots, I end up hitting them more than once, and normally I would say not to do this, but you definitely should keep shooting at target until they call it, or you can confirm they've been hit. You'll also notice that although I took out what appears to be their defense for the left lane, I don't just rush up the hill or give away my position, because there could still be more enemies that I have yet to discover. Maintaining a state of stealth is absolutely crucial when pushing an enemy. Although we have taken point A and pushed the fallen defense to point B, it's still important to scan the area before moving forward, because you don't have to clear the point to take it, you only have to physically reach the point. You'll notice here I take a moment to regroup and develop a strategy for taking this last point, which may seem like an obvious thing to do, but you would be surprised how many times you see unstructured players and teams in objective games. After my little brother scores a great hit on me from point B, I make a quick return to respawn. And normally when returning to respawn, I would say it doesn't matter how quickly you get back, but in a game like this, it's essentially a battle for the lowest time, so every second counts. While dead in Airsoft, you shouldn't give away enemy positions or intel to your team, but the second you get back, you should definitely call them out to your team, as you can see me doing here. shots like this, where your target has a lot of hard cover, it can be difficult to take them down, but developing a precise and small spread can increase your chances of hitting them. As the last defender lands a nice hit on me and I'm walking back, the rest of my team takes him down and claims the final point, ending the game in 11 minutes, making that the time to beat for the attacking team. Normally I would show the footage of part 2 where they now attack us and try to take both points within 11 minutes, but the footage was pretty dull as they weren't very aggressive, and we ended up holding point A for 22 minutes. So with my team being victorious, the game was over. I hope you enjoyed the video and will give me a like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and as always, I hope to see you on the field.